Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Lucky Bailee Show, and today we're doing a taste test. Honey butter chip.
Honey butter chip.
Honey butter chip.
Dun, dun, dun.
I don't know what does it say. A couple years ago, honey butter chip, it was really popular, and they ran out all the supermarket. But now, my mommy found one at the store. I get to do a taste test because I didn't eat that before. It's my first time trying it. This is the original honey butter chip.
Okay, let's try it. Tell me what it tastes like.
Okay. I can't open it. Oh, I got it.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Let's see what it looks like. Hold one up. Mmm.
It tastes like candy inside.
So is it sweet?
Yeah, and crunchy.
Mmm.
It's yummy. It's yummy. Yummy in my tummy.
Will you tell your friends to eat it?
Yeah. I'll tell my teachers and my friends to try it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.